Hello and welcome to another microphone demonstration here at Vortez. Today we're examining the Elgato Wave 1, an elegant new microphone built from the ground up for content creators and streamers alike, featuring a sleek design, steel grille and a heavy-duty stand. The 24-bit 48 kHz analog to digital conversion removes almost all PC-side processing to keep system resources free for your games and software, while a built-in multi-layer pop filter prevents plosive sounds from ruining your audience's experience. All of this is done while maintaining a crystal clear audio profile that's tuned for speech pickup. Typing with the microphone roughly 200mm in front of a keyboard on a Corsair K95 Platinum XT with Cherry MX speed switches sounds like this. We hope this gives you a good idea of the audio quality and balance offered by the Elgato Wave 1. We'll catch you in the next one.